Alright, so I'm out here doing a little bit of time lapse. You can see it on my phone, but you can see the whole background. And I'm gonna capture the sunrise. So I came out super early. I left Fresno about 3 in the morning to get here to beat the sunrise because the last time I came out a little bit later, around 3:30, 4 o'clock, about 3:30 I took off, and it was so foggy out in Lemoore that it took forever to get here because there's so many cars in front of me taking so long because just the fog, it's too dense. So by the time I got here, I already missed this part where the sun, the orange and the pink and blues and purple started coming over the sky. So I drove a little bit early today, 3 o'clock, and it was a clear sky, clear weather all the way over here. So by the time I got here, it was about like 5:24, and I got about an hour before the sun actually rises. So I'm out here pretty much just waiting for the sun to rise while my time lapse captures everything. And if it comes out good, I'll put it on video. If not, eh. But yeah, it's looking really good right now. Sun's starting to come out, and somebody else is parking up there by my car too, so hopefully they're not doing anything to my car because I can't really see. It's still pretty dark, but we'll see in a bit. And hopefully well, I might just stay here for about maybe 30 to 45 minutes, probably about 30 minutes or 45 minutes to actually get a good what is it, sunrise shot. So I'll see. So the magic is starting to happen right now. I'm getting my stuff on the video on the cell phone, and the sun's starting to rise. Got a Morro Bay behind me, my Aegis in front of me, and then we get the shipwreck. So it was dark, so I couldn't position my time lapse in a certain spot too good because I couldn't really see. And it's already recording. I mean, I could still move it because the sun hasn't really come up yet, but I don't know. I don't want to ruin it either. I kind of want to move it though, but if I can't find a better spot, it might not look so good. Well, the nebula is great too though. I was actually really hoping that the little purple, red, and bluish will come out of the sky, but apparently not today. So this is what I got from I think like 45 minutes that I stayed there and watched it. Bright and early in the morning, went to watch the sunrise. Didn't come out good. I went to a grocery store real quick to get some eggs, so that way at least I could cook in a bit. There's one guy out there fishing, and I'm gonna fish right here for a little bit, see if I can pull anything out. If nothing, I'm gonna go up north a little bit. Today my plan is to catch at least one Cabezon, so hopefully one Cabezon. And I really do want to get my limit at 10 Cabezon, but I don't know. That's the dream. 10 cabbie, one of my favorite fish to eat. So if I could get one, I'm happy. I already lost one lure. Whew. Very very splashy down there. I want to go to a little deeper water. Go to another spot. Yeah, I'll do a couple more casting. Let's see if I can get one thing. Too crazy. I think I'm gonna head up north. Go where I know where there's some rockfish. Yeah, it is like extremely windy right now. Yeah, casting my stuff, I couldn't cast it far enough into the ocean hard for the surf. I think my heaviest weight was only like 3 ounces, so gonna do a little hiking right now, and hopefully later or in a bit I might be able to do some fishing. If not, still might just get back by the beach. I don't know what these yellow things are, but man, they're all over the place. The whole forest is filled with these yellow ones. They don't look like jack-o'-lanterns either. I don't know about these, so I'm not gonna pick them up. No need to destroy the forest of its mushroom for things that you don't know. See, there's some more brown ones over there too. There's a lot of brown ones. Some more over there too. I mean, they're all over the place. A bunch of honey mushroom that's all old. See what I mean? There's like yellow ones all over the place. Just pretty much everywhere. Size compared to my shoes. More yellow. There's a lot of yellow ones. You guys see what I see? Woo. Do, 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 do. So, you know where I'm at? Look at the cliff, look at the rocks. And going down there. Not too many people. 3 people took off, and then 2 in front of me and myself. So 3 took off, 3 came in. Not bad. Pretty crazy beach. It has some black with some brownish green. Woo! On the way back up, I used a rope on the way back down, well, on the way down, because I don't want to eat it. If I slide, would have sucked, because I got my GoPro in hand, camera in hand, and backpack full of stuff. You would figure that there'll be mushrooms in here, like porcinis and stuff like that, but yeah, actually more interior than it actually looks like from the outside. As heck. I keep on getting snag, and there's some people on the rocks, but there's some people on the rocks in front of me too, but I haven't seen anybody catch anything, so I might make one more stop and then call it a day. So it's about 6:50 in the morning, and I was debating if I should actually go kayak fishing, but man, it's a lot of stuff a lot of stuff to load up into the car, and plus I'm pretty much just gonna be doing a catch and release anyway, so I think I should just go do some wildlife photography. And you know, I might just do photography because it's a whole lot lighter, and I could bring my cooking gear with me and just do some photography and then cook some food and relax and enjoy the day. Kayaking would be fun, but man, that thing's, it's heavy. I mean, I know it's not the super heavy, but it's still pretty heavy after a long day and on and off and putting it into the garage. So I think I might just gonna go do some photography. Yeah, a lot easier. A little hiking, a little photography. So I saw there's a group of quail. They're in front of me right now. They're so smart though. I mean, they're hiding behind a bush. They're not letting me take any pictures of them. On the other side of this bush, they're all over there, probably like 20 of them. But they won't let me go near them. Found the quail over there by Miller's Landing, or kind of by it. But yeah, I've been chasing quails for about over a year. Oh, wait, there's a bird up there. Kind of chilly in the shade. I'm gonna have to move north to where I saw the little blue birds the last time. It's like little blue sparrows. Look pretty cool, but yeah, I think after like over a year chasing, trying to find quails, finally found some where they actually came out for a little bit. I got a few shots before they all flew off, so hopefully they came out good, at least one of them. Something good enough to edit, but I won't know until I get home and see it on the computer. Well, I just play messy and no birds. I mean, try walking around by the logs and other things, but I might actually have to go like up there into the grass or something, or go to my other spot. This was the final result of what I captured from scaring all those quails. And I got lucky with this one because I had a good 10 seconds before this one, and there was another one below, flew off. And I'm like, oh, hoping for something to come out good. And finally, I got one. So I'm pretty happy. So I went to Lost Lake, which is here in Fresno, a little part of the San Joaquin River, because I figure, you know, it'll be a little bit more peaceful, and with a little bit more water in the background, it'll be a little nicer spot to cook some food. Because at Bass Lake, the water was so low that it didn't look so good. Plus, it was kind of brown, and there were a good amount of people, but it wasn't that busy. So I came down here, and for some reason it was busy as hell. Well, it is Valentine's Day anyway, so as I was cooking, people were walking by, looking at me, checking me out. People walking their kids and their dogs. I'm like, all right, you know, I'm gonna put on my mask so they don't come up and talk to me, so this way nobody's passing COVID to each other, and that way they can see that I'm pretty busy just doing a little cooking video. So yeah, so that's the reason why I shut off the audio, or some of the audio, for the background. So right here I'm pretty much splitting up was it a Thailand blue prawn, freshwater prawns, and I was at Morro Bay the day before, so I bought 2 of the lobster at the Albertsons there. The price was pretty good, so I figured I'll buy 2 because these 2 were about $9.50 for the both of them. So I figured, you know what, I'll grab some lobster and throw it in the mix. And pretty much in the pan, what you got is crab paste, garlic and chili paste, and then green onion, butter, and a little olive oil. So all you have to do is just pretty much turn it on low heat, wait till it all blends, and then cook it for a couple seconds, and then turn it on higher heat till it boils. Once it boils, you throw in your halves, tails, and shrimp in there, and just kind of let it cook. And yeah, you don't want to put too much in here, because if you put too much, you might drop down the temperature, and they might not cook as fast or as crispy or as good. So once you're into this process, turn it on high so everything just cooks really fast. The whole cooking process takes less than 3 minutes, so probably about, depending on your heat, depending on how much you're cooking, and just open it up once in a while and spoon all the flavor on top. And I figured, you know what, I bought some eggs at Albertson in Morro Bay. I might as well do a little bit of soft scrambled egg, and I love eggs, and it's a good cheap protein, so might as well mix it up into it. A little salt.